Alright, let's say hello to the kittens who are currently down in the big category. So this is Tucker, and this is Theodore, and they're not available for adoption, they live here. But this is Hugo, Mr. Hugo. You're available, aren't you, Mr. Hugo? Put my other camera down there and hope nobody chews on it. He's Rolly, see? It's good. Mr. Hugo, it's good on Rolly. You're going for a swim on the carpet, are you? Mr. Hugo, go for a swim on the carpet? He can be a bit shy when new people come in, but once he likes, you see, he's all melty and rolly. Oh God, Theodore just got on my back again. Get off, Theodore. Get off! Oh, he just gets on your back and stabs right in with his claws. Where were we? We were saying hello to Hugo, weren't we? Were you jealous that I won't say hello to you? Theo, is that your problem? Is that your problem? Should have worn my heavy jacket, shouldn't I? Forgot about you jumping on people's backs. Maybe if I give him some pats while we look at Hugo, he'll be less inclined to jump on me. Mr. Hugo, he's so cute. Look, he's got all funny spots on him. He hasn't even got stripes. Okay, who else have we got in here? Here's Daisy. Excuse me. Hey, Daisy. You're very nice, aren't you? Oh, hang on. I just keep an eye on where Theodore is. Daisy, Daisy. You're very nice. Don't you bite the camera, Tucker. That's not the thing that we do. Look at you. You like me, don't you? Mr. Hugo. I'm sorry, Tucker. I can't film you. I need to film everybody else. I know you're very friendly and nice. Okay, now, hop out of the way. Here is Gremlin. Hey, Gremlin. Oi, don't you bite me, Tucker. Go away. Shoo. Hey, Gremlin. Gremlin's a bit shy. He needs more love. Watch it. Theodore. It's a bit difficult to pat Gremlin when we've got these two bouncing around everywhere. Hey, Hugo. Gremlin. Just hold it with this hand. Some pats, Gremlin. Alright, let's say hello to Alvin and Mogwai. Oh, my door keeps swinging shut. Remember Alvin? He did videos of him last time being extremely cute. And I don't know if the camera can even see Mogwai because she is right up the back. Stop that. You're a problem. Yes. Fight with Tucker. Leave me alone. I'm trying to get a video of all the teenagers who are down here in the main category, but I was having a lot of trouble because Theodore kept jumping up on my back and stabbing me. So I brought some ping pong balls in, so hopefully they'll keep him occupied for a bit while we have a look at who else is in here. So Theodore, who has the short tail, and Tucker, who has a long fluffy tail, they're not available for adoption. But who we have in here who is available is Mr. Hugo, He's a bit shy when he first meets new people, but he likes me. He rolls around when I pet him. Oh, you're more interested in the ball now, are you? It's Mr. Hugo. And this is Daisy. Daisy, you want some pets? Just keeping an eye on Theodore. He's currently occupied with the ball. He's hopefully not going to jump up on me. Oh, you're so nice, Daisy. So nice. And then Gremlin's feeling a bit stressed because he's a bit shy and he's only just gotten into this new strange place that he doesn't know if he likes it. But I can pat him. We can pat him, can't we, Daisy? He's a bit hidey at the moment, but he's alright. Daisy. Mr. Hugo. Oh, Mr. Hugo. He's so soft. Also, he likes ping pong balls. What do you think? Gremlin, do you like ping pong balls too? Daisy thinks she likes ping pong balls. He's got stuck behind the toilet again. And the other kittens who are in here are still hiding in here for the moment. Yeah, it's Alvin and Mogwai. Here you go now, Alvin. Oh, don't touch me. He liked me last time I was here. He's just a bit stressed out because he's in this strange new place. But he comes good. And Mogwai, you can't come out and say hello to me because Alvin's trapped you in there, hasn't he? He's going with that ping pong ball. You lost them all behind the toilet now, have you? What do you think, Mr. Hugo? Let's see. You want to play with the thing, Hugo? It's very exciting to have a ping pong ball, isn't it? Please don't fight the string of my camera. Can't even get in there. Ah, you're a menace, Theodore. Well, that'll keep him entertained for a while, trying to get that out from behind there. What do you reckon, Hugo? Is that a good thing? I don't know what thing it is, but it looks good. Here, you have some more pets. There you go, Daisy. Is it too exciting for you? Yeah, you give that thing a kick. Go on. Give it a kick. Want to go for a swim? Swim on the carpet? You funny little dude. Oh, funny little dude, Hugo. Sure. Daisy, what you doing? Looking at the ball? Okay, you want the ball? Gremlin, rather. You want the ball? It's pretty fun. Oh no. No, I didn't put it in there so you could bop his face trying to get it. Get out, Tucker. Oh, Gremlin. Daisy, have a go at this thing. You like that thing, do you, Hugo? Oh, gremlin. Oh, gremlin. It's scary for you, isn't it? Hmm? Alright, I'm gonna go and film all the others. Bye, Mr. Hugo. I hope you find a home soon. Look how rolly you are. You're so rolly. Bye, Daisy. You're so very cute. Goodbye, Elvin and Mogwai. You come out of your box soon. Goodbye, Gremlin.